Green tonic that's helped balance my hormones and heal my thyroid. For a number of years, Alyssa Goodman was suffering from Hashimoto's and hypothyroidism. At first, she was not aware of these conditions, but over time the symptoms manifested. She experienced hair loss, anxiety, infertility, weight gain, hormone imbalances, and anxiety. Today, it is estimated that 1 in 8 women experienced a thyroid disorder at some point in her life. The worst part is that 60% of people suffering from this condition are not even aware of it. Hashimoto is an autoimmune condition responsible for 90% of hypothyroid cases. In most cases, these conditions are developed as a result of physical, mental, and environmental stressors as well as unhealthy eating habits. What is the difference between hypo and hyper? Even though both of these conditions affect the thyroid gland, each of them has opposite effects on the body. Hyper means overexcited. Well, a hyperactive thyroid is an overproducing thyroid, speeding up all the functions in the body. Hyperthyroidism symptoms include forgetfulness, always feeling hot, menstrual problems, racing thoughts, sweating more than usual, anxiety, nervousness, or irritability, physical and mental fatigue, weight loss, fast metabolism, problems with falling asleep, elevated heart rate and palpitations, change in bowel habits, looser, difficulty focusing on one task. Keep in mind that hypo is the opposite. When your body is in a hypo state, it means that the production of thyroid hormones is decreased and everything starts to slow down. Hypothyroidism symptoms include brittle nails, dry hair, physical and mental fatigue, decreased menstrual flow, constipation, muscle cramps, swelling in the front of the neck, goiter, depression, weight gain, slow metabolism, dry skin, forgetfulness. Asterisk: if you notice some of these symptoms, visit your doctor and make a test in order to ensure that your thyroid hormone levels are in the normal range. Autoimmune thyroid. When your immune system does not recognize its bodily tissue and confuses it with a foreign invader, your body ends up experiencing an autoimmune disease. Having an autoimmune disease means that your immune system attacks itself trying to protect itself. In the case of the thyroid gland, there are both Graves' disease, hyperthyroidism, and Hashimoto's disease, hypothyroidism. 6 root causes to autoimmunity in the thyroid gland. Nutrient deficiency, iodine deficiency, adrenal insufficiency, infectious disease, heavy metal toxicity, gastrointestinal permeability, leaky gut. Alyssa's healing recipe. When Alyssa found out the major cause of her health problems, she did everything in her power to heal herself from hypothyroidism and Hashimoto's. She discovered this nutrient-dense recipe that includes foods and nutrients that can support the function of your thyroid. It is called the green tonic that's helped balance my hormones and heal my thyroid. Recipe: makes 1 serving. Needed ingredients: 1 organic lemon, juiced, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, or 1/2 teaspoon fresh, 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, or 1/2 teaspoon fresh, 2 cups filtered water, 1 teaspoon Hawaiian spirulina powder, 1 dropperful ionized liquid zinc, 1 teaspoon barley juice extract powder, 3 grams L-glutamine powder, 1 tablespoon cold milled flaxseed or chia seeds. Optional. Probiotic, 1 liquid dropperful or powder from 150 billion capsule. Directions: squeeze the juice of the lemon and add the other ingredients. Mix well and drink this immediately. Other thyroid supporting remedies. Ashwagandha. This herb has the ability to balance both the hyper and hypothyroid. Ashwagandha can help you deal with stress. For thousands of years, This herb has been used in Chinese medicine for its healing properties. Eat selenium-rich foods. To improve the function of your thyroid, you should pay attention to your intake of selenium. Most people are deficient in this mineral that plays a significant role in immunity and antioxidant-like functions. Make sure to include more microgreens. Brazil nuts, 3 to 5 a day. Grass-fed beef/liver. Pasture-raised turkey/chicken. Baby spinach. Pasture-raised eggs. Sustainable sardines. Sustainable halibut. Probiotics. Probiotics are essential for proper digestion. A link between leaky gut syndrome and thyroid conditions shows that probiotics are also extremely important for thyroid health. Leaky gut is a condition when proteins such as gluten leak through the gut, into the bloodstream and lead to stress and inflammation. These foods will improve your digestion. Raw cheese. The better yogurt. Natto. Kvass. Water kefir. Kombucha. Cultured vegetables.